Hey guys, this is Austin, and welcome to No Limits Push USB Sound Button. Lamar Wilson, would you like to do the honors of the No Limits Push Sound Button?
So, are there any limits to me having to unbox this in a certain way?
No. Live your best life.
This is Austin.
Did that?
Wait.
Hey guys, this is Austin.
So you gotta rub it like that.
Okay.
Okay, and then you have to rub it, and then. Okay. Well.
It lasted for 3
All right. Oh.
Okay.
I guess I'll open this one. No phone air.
Visible phone for people who use their phone too much. 0 gigabytes of storage, no headphone jack, no Wi-Fi, no camera. It's the No Phone Air.
Oh wow! Wow, this is the S19 one. So let's just get this out here. And hello. Hey girl, how you doing?
This is not off to a great start.
I drove a long way.
We've got a broken Hey Guys button and the No Phone Air. I hope you're ready to step up your game. Lamar Wilson is here. You better bring the real shit,
bring
man.
the heat. Oh, did you? Can we curse here?
We can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Darn! This is gonna be a 3-minute video. Okay. AirPods Recharge Power Sport Sling. Who named this?
So basically, you take the AirPods out, which I have some AirPods here.
Okay.
We take them out of the case, we put them into the base, which will then charge, and also will keep the AirPods from falling out of your ears. Okay.
This might be the point where we could have some music.
Yeah. So I'm gonna attach
Because
it.
otherwise, what are we doing?
It's okay, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Just embrace it. What do you want to listen to?
If you don't just play some music.
Okay, fine. I mean,
Oh. Why are you dancing better than me?
I gotta be honest, that bar's not set very high.
all right, do you want to give them a try, like actually putting it
Yes.
around your neck and see how it feels?
Okay. I mean, so they're pulling these out more out of my ears.
It's the weight, right?
It's the weight. This one is holding, but if I move, yeah. Okay.
Look, who needs to buy this? Like, I guess if
People
it's-
who are running and do exercise, who are those people? I don't like
people who
do exercise.
exercise, like as in do physical activity
Yes.
for no reason?
Right.
I don't think those people exist.
Okay, because I've clearly have never heard of that.
I mean, you're not a weirdo.
Okay, but you've heard of it.
Oh, okay, all right.
See,
I got it.
I could have. Oh my.
Woo.
I thought the phone came over.
Why'd you throw a phone? Don't throw phones.
Are y'all that
That's not
rich
nice.
over here? Y'all
No.
just throw phones and stuff?
No,
Like,
it's Ken. He's
like, this is-
wildly irresponsible.
I'm like, this is nice.
The AE Self-Fly. We can unleash our camera. So we put the phone on the drone.
I hope not.
Look, the flying phone case camera.
Yeah, we're gonna use your phone.
Well, we're using the phone that he threw, apparently.
Yeah.
Wait, this is the drone? This is the drone.
There's no way a phone is gonna. No.
Phone on one side, drone on the other side, which actually, to be fair, can fold up. So you can just use this as your phone case.
Oh,
You can have a drone attached to your phone.
Hold on, because I'm feeling some creepy stuff I can do in my building here. No, I just meant, okay, creepy was not the word. You can do some accurate surveillance of my neighbors just to make sure they're complying with
With the rules. The rules.
you know what I'm looking at. You know what it's really about.
So does it just fly like this? Oh, you know what, dude, that's what you need the camera for. It doesn't use the phone at all. I don't understand why the phone is here.
Yeah, what is the purpose of the phone?
Is the case just to, like, it's like a carrying case for your drone?
Yes.
And then you just pop
take
the drone.
and then you can watch it probably.
That makes a little bit more sense. Because
Okay.
I was like, well, who's flying your phone around? Like,
Yeah, how do you control it?
did you actually, were we just dumb to take us that long to
so
figure it
you
out?
knew this all the time?
To be fair, in all fairness to you guys, I was thinking the exact same thing for
Right.
a while.
My videos take 10 minutes to make.
We can tell. Let's do it.
Oh, mama. Okay.
Down, down. Oh, no, down, down, up.
You're actually
down,
pretty good at this.
up. I didn't work very well. Whew.
Oh,
Party
wow.
roulette. Add some bang to your next party. Okay. win! Pass it around. Who's going to burst the balloon? Take your turn and cringe. We're always thinking with your party revolver.
If I had this on my channel, even though it was a video, they would be knocking at my door at my house. I'm just saying, we've heard reports that so
Okay,
I'm just saying for me, you know, because let's just be real.
Pass the party roulette revolver with a balloon in place to a friend. Your friend cocks the hammer, then pulls the trigger, hoping they can take the shot without popping the balloon. If it doesn't pop, it goes to the next person. The anticipation of the big bang if the balloon pops is amazing. Watch your friends' faces as they wait to take a turn. This seems really f***ed up. You don't want to teach kids this. You'd be like, pass the gun around, pass the party revolver around, and there's gonna be a big surprise in your friend's face.
It's like when you spin the gun in the middle of the floor, like, you don't plan for Thanksgiving?
It's like
No, I thought that.
Instead of spin the bottle, you played spin the revolver?
I was in the hood, man.
You kidding?
That's what we did.
Look, I'm bored, man. I don't know what else I'm gonna do tonight.
Yeah. Are you a smoker? Okay.
Woo!
That is too much air.
Well, that's pretty impressive, actually. Shall we begin?
I think we shall begin.
Okay.
And by we, I mean you.
Okay, I'll start. Nothing, no problem.
Okay. You doing? Oh, you. What the hell are you doing, man?
No. It's your turn. It's about to pop. You know it's about to pop.
No, I that's not. Okay, this is literally taking forever. I mean, come on. Well,
It works.
as you see, I've never been shot at because clearly,
I'm not sure what we just
like,
did.
I knew it was going to happen eventually, but I was so confident that it wasn't going to be me. You're going to cut this,
We
right?
need to get slow motion of that.
No, editors, where are you? No.
I think you look up to the skies with the editors.
Editors up there.
Editors.
I mean, what could possibly get worse than that?
I mean, lots of things.
Oh, okay.
Remember when we got shocked last time? That sucked.
Oh, yeah, that
was not good.
No, I didn't like that at all. Okay. Okay. I'm laughing. Literally just got this yesterday in the mail.
Really? Have you opened it
I
yet?
haven't opened it yet.
Oh, so it's a world exclusive.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the Sony SRS WS1 immersive wearable speaker.
It actually doesn't look horrible.
Wait, Ken, how much is the Sony wearable speaker?
It is $249.
And 99 cents.
Oh, well, I was going to get it for $249, but now it's 99 cents.
99 cents, not enough. Why do you need a headphone to micro USB cable?
So these are surprisingly enough not Bluetooth. So there are 2.4 gigahertz RF wireless
Why is this not Bluetooth?
for latency.
Because there's a problem with latency.
With headphones?
On Bluetooth, there is.
Yeah. They're also saying this is kind of perfect if you have like a PSVR setup.
Oh, okay, this actually would be pretty cool for PSVR. So, right now, I have my phone connected with a lightning to aux jack into a little transmitter, which is then going to transmit that via 2.4 gigahertz over to the headset where we can listen to it wirelessly. That make sense?
No.
Okay, cool, let's go. Okay.
So I hear it, but I'm not immersed in it. Are you immersed?
No.
Why not? Why not? Why not just have these in your ear? Like, what? Can I just do like this?
I don't think so.
No. Yeah.
So what you're hearing, because we have mics on, is probably a lot louder than actually what everyone around. So
Yeah.
like here, if we play it,
Yeah, this is probably more realistic.
this is what people around you hear,
Yeah.
and this is what you hear.
Well, I'm out. I don't get paid enough for this. But yeah, what's your impression of all of this?
This is all goofy. It should be Bluetooth.
Yeah.
They sound good. I just don't quite get it. It's not a product for me. However, more power to you if you want to bump and
Don't say.
grind
Oh, okay,
and-
he said it.
And twerk and whatever the kids do these days. Watch. Keep your eyes up here, okay, buddy? Is that a Game Boy?
Ooh.
Or like a little emulator guy?
I think so.
Ambernick. Oh, is this the good one? This is so I've heard there's this emulator.
What? Why is this open? Why is this open?
Matt?
I am in a boxer. I wanted to get the plastic. Why is it open?
No. Sometimes we gotta test it out. I may have played it a little bit.
See what I have to deal with?
I see this now.
Mystery tech.
Yeah. The mystery's gone, sir.
Oh, but you complain when stuff's not ready.
Yeah, it's very true. I complain a lot when I have to sit around and set things up. So this is a little emulation box. So
Oh,
essentially,
okay.
you can load up, I think most emulators like Super Nintendo and PlayStation, I don't actually know what's on here. How much was the Ambernick RG350?
$97.99.
However, if you feel like waiting, you can get it straight from China for $80.
Oh, they're gonna say for a limited time now. you can buy one and get one free. I've never played this game. You all seem very familiar
Actually,
with
I
this.
have not either.
This is my second favorite game.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Does it start at any time, or do I just have to watch this?
Press the button.
Oh, okay.
You know, like a game.
How do you unsubscribe from this?
So you just go to the channel and you hit the
And you hit the
unsubscribe
button.
Yeah, and then
So hit a button like he told me to do.
and you don't see it anymore.
Okay, good.
So, there's definitely some pluses with this. I like the size. It's got a couple of USB ports.
Also, it claims to have 7 hours of battery life and a 2,500 milliamp hour battery.
This is really cool. However, Matt, I know we have the older version of this.
Yes, and we're gonna take a look at them. Both on This Is.
Boo.
Yeah, who knows? What is
We have to go to the other channel, Matt. Everyone's on this channel right now. You're gonna make people click the card and go to the other video
Trust
to watch
me.
a whole video?
They're not clicking.
They're not going anywhere. They're all going to Lamar Wilson's channel.
I'm sorry.
What are you doing to me?
I'm going to watch it at some point. I promise. I like you now. You're cool. I'm just being what your shirt says. I'm just being a savage.
Look, I mean, that is pretty accurate. Okay. I caught it.
I want to catch one.
Here.
Okay. Oh, I got it still. Okay. It seemed like it was going to be food, but this is a tech channel. I don't know, because it felt squishy. Oh, it says 1 chip challenge. So, like, we can only eat 1 chip? Potato chip?
Do you know what this is?
No. But I feel like you do.
Lamar, do you know what this is?
No, but I feel like you do.
It's the world's spiciest chip.
Hell no. I knew it was food. I knew it. I sensed food.
Why are we eating this? There's no challenge to it. Why would we do this?
There is a challenge.
What's
It's
the challenge?
hot.
No, but I mean, like, why would, like, there's like, everyone does this if they like lose a challenge or something. Like, you don't just eat it randomly. Where's the narrative stakes, Ken? Why would we eat this? Okay, what to expect? Mouth on fire, short-term loss of speech, impaired vision from tears, extreme profanity, rip.
Nope. No, it says death. You could have got the nacho cheese at least.
Yeah, the nacho, look how nice the nacho
Look at
cheese
this.
looks. Look at all these other, ignore all these ones. These are great.
Yeah.
Also, you get a free bag.
For how much we paid for those chips, they should give us 3 free bags.
How much was
Oh, no.
this single chip?
38 bucks.
Each.
Man, are you crazy?
No, I feel like we have to eat it. We can't waste $38.
We. Let's be clear here. Oh, you gonna do all of that?
Yeah.
Okay, here. I'm not. I'm
Wait,
not
this
doing
is
it.
gonna be bad. Why do I have to keep eating so many spicy things?
This is gonna be bad. I'm glad yours is
Where's
bigger
the
than
milk?
mine.
Where's the water? Give me something.
Oh, we're out of wuss juice.
I'm doing it. Ready?
No.
2, 1.
Oh! Oh! Ha!
Oh.
Ah!
At least you need something to drink.
Where's the water?
That's not even joking.
Why do you? No!
That's good. That's good.
Ah! It's getting worse.
It's getting worse.
Where's the water?
Oh.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Okay, it's not that. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
So, Austin, I barred you earlier from not going into the main office bathroom.
Yeah, the toilet's broken.
Yes. Do you want to go see our.
Why don't we go see a broken toilet?
I put something on it that might help you guys. Maybe.
Look, I'll drink the toilet water at this point. Let's go.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Yeah, you poor guy.
We're good.
Use the bathroom across the hall. Okay, what?
So you can go in.
Are we supposed to be locked? You gonna lock us in here for like?
Is that a total launch light? Ken! This is the holy grail of toilets!
I know.
So wait, how do you, wait. Oh, it did it again. It even sprays water. It turns on a light.
I've never
Wait,
been this excited for a toilet before.
why do you need a light? I don't want to look
If
inside.
it's night.
Oh, so you
Yeah.
can see the toilet.
Yeah.
Oh.
I've never used a bidet before.
So do you want that button? That one looks like the fun button. So there's rear soft, front wide, dryer, oscillate, pulsate, wand clean, and then you can adjust the pressure and the position.
Also, it is heated. And lift the remote. Look at the back of it. It has a screen.
Wow. So the water temp, the seat temp.
Wait, how much was this?
$900.
Are you like being serious? Because I actually kind of interested in one, but I didn't know it was gonna be that 900.
It's $900, and it's just for the seat.
I think we need to do a $900 bidet test.
Yes.
How are we gonna test this?
all you
Exactly on camera?
It's okay. You go for it. So, the way we're gonna do this, we're gonna close the door to give you privacy, but we'll still hear your audio. So can you narrate what's happening and how you feel about it?
Oh, am I legit taking my pants off? Wait, I screamed when I used the bathroom. Okay, so
Okay.
now the pants are coming down. Okay, wait, I think it's going to. Oh! Hello. At least give me dinner first.
By the way, this was for you losing that mystery tech game. This is my $500 budget.
Did you spend the mystery tech
That
money on
is
this?
quite refreshing. Wait, there's a pulsation thing too? Hold on. I need to stop. It's not stop. Wait.
Do you need me to come rescue you?
I mean, I need this as an Instagram picture, so come on and open it. Like, I'm not kidding. This is fire.
Do you need help?
I mean, I'm not complaining. Don't get me wrong, but it is shooting all kind of water in my ass right now. Stop! What? Wait, it's doing the whole thing now.
No, it's drying.
Is it? I feel water still on me.
I think it's dry.
Wait, is that air?
That's air. It's drying you
Oh.
right now.
Okay, I need a few more minutes.
Thank you very much for watching this episode of Mystery Tech. We'll not be back next time because this is definitely going to get us canceled.